All right, we
Right in the middle.
begin writing, guys. Now, remember on Friday for writings, we always are going to be taking our spelling quiz, right? Now, Miss Wally mentioned, I've been telling you guys, it's not your typical spelling quiz, right? Where I say a word and you write the word. You're having to take the spelling word and put it into a sentence, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do that because every Friday you're going to have to go to this place to do this assignment. Now, I'm going to talk really quick about something called integrity. Do y'all know what that word means? No. So integrity means being honest and it means being truthful, right? Now, our tests are going to be on now, right? So that means I need you guys to show me integrity. I want you guys to do the assignment by yourself, okay? I don't want your mom or your dad or your grandma, I don't want them doing the work for you. Because is that going to help you become a better learner if they do the work for you? No, right? So for all assignments, really, you should be doing them by yourself, but especially the test. You need to do it by yourself. I don't mind if your parents read to you the sentences. That's okay if they read them the sentences, but I don't want your parents telling you the answer that goes in the sentence, okay? I want you to do it all by yourself because we're third graders. And how is Miss Waldy going to know if you're having trouble if you're getting perfect scores, right? I won't know how to help you if your parents are already helping you, okay? So I need everyone to pay close attention because I'm about to show you how to do your spelling quiz, okay? So please, please, please pay attention because my morning class, we had a hard time with the spelling quiz. People thought they were doing it right, but they weren't because they weren't listening to my directions, okay? So I'm gonna share my screen so I can explain how to access your spelling quiz. So Michael, please pay attention. I need you to focus at my screen for a bit, okay? All right, when you go into your Google Classroom, you're gonna go to Friday. And then you should see something that says spelling quiz, okay? So you're gonna click on the one that says spelling quiz. Krista, pay attention. You're gonna click on Clever, the link that I give you, and it's gonna take you to Clever, okay? Let me log out of my Clever. That way, I'm gonna show you from the kids side. So when you log into Clever, it's going to be SW and your ID number. You should be good at Clever because we've been getting in Clever a lot already, right? So you should know how to log into Clever already. So you're gonna click login. Make sure you click on my page. It says D Waldy and I have the big bear, okay? So you gotta click on the bear. Now, when you're in the Clever, you have to click on this red McGraw-Hill button, okay? So you're gonna click on the red button. When you get in, it's going to take you to a launch pad, okay? This is our book, like the one we have at home, so you need to click launch, okay? So you need to click launch for the first one. This is important also. Do you see how two classes pop up? You have to click the one that says Mrs. Waldy's class 2020-2021. Okay, you have to click the second one, not the first one. Click the second one. If not, you're not going to get your assignment. Do you see how the green button says to do? You have to click on the green button. Now, your test isn't going to be here. In order to see your test, guys, pay attention, please. You have to click on this button that says My Test. Okay? Once you click on it, now do you see how it says spelling quiz? Okay, so you're gonna click on that and then you're gonna click launch assessment. Okay, so you're gonna click on the assessment. Now it's gonna take you to your test. Now, this is Brian, so he was in my morning class, okay? So that's why it's not letting me see the test. So once you see the test, let me see if I can see it from my side, okay? One second, guys, okay? Okay, this is what your test is gonna look like. It's going to be fill in the blank, remember? So look at, guys, now I'm showing you, so I need you to look back up at the screen. Your test is going to give you, Sebastian, pay attention, please. It's going to give you a word bank. So these are all our spelling words. Well, not all of them, but it's 15 of our spelling words that you should have been practicing this week, okay? And do you see how it has the numbers here? Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to read the sentence. It says, I will blank for the best I will blank for the best pet in the show. And you have to figure out, which one makes the most sense? I will clap for the best pet in the show. I will camp for the best pet in the show. You have to figure out which one makes the most sense. When you figure it out, you're going to type the answer. Please type it correctly because look, you know spelling because it's up here, okay? And then you go to the second one. Will you help me blank this heavy box? You have to figure out which one makes the most sense, okay? So that's for part A. For part B, it says write the spelling words that have the same meaning as each word or phrase. So if the word is ill, what's another word that means the same thing as ill? Okay, so you're gonna choose one from the top. I'm gonna give you a little hint, okay? Each word you only use one time. So if you already used the word clap, right, you're not gonna use it again. Does that make sense? Okay, this is the important part that I really need y'all to listen to. Once you fill them all in, do you see right here at the bottom right-hand corner, it says submit assignment? You have to click submit, but you're not done yet. Do you see how there's another submit assignment button right here? Do you see that? You have to click that second one again. Because if you don't click it, then Miss Waldy will not see your scores. And then now, do you see how it says assignment submitted? And then you can view your score if you want. All right. Now that's how you're gonna get into, I know it was a lot of directions, guys, but the more we do